Hi everyone, welcome back for the Daily Language Review corrections video. We are going to correct week 3, day 2. So the first two sentences, we need to write the sentences correctly and find as many errors as we can. So number 1, hens usually laid 1 egg each day during summer. So the first error is we don't need past tense because these are all hens and they will continue to do this. So the correct answer is lay. That's the correct word to use. Hens usually lay 1 egg each day during summer. We do not need a capitalized S in summer because we generally don't capitalize the seasons, believe it or not. I know many people do, but you don't need to. And the last error I see is the apostrophe. This is hens plural to mean more than one. And when a word is plural, you do not use the apostrophe. That's to show ownership. If you were talking about the hen's eggs, then you might use an apostrophe, but this is just the plural form. So hens usually lay 1 egg each day during summer. Perfect. Number 2, after a hen lays a bunch of eggs, comma, they sit in them. So first of all, the comma is correct because the dependent clause after is a subordinating conjunction. And so the dependent clause comes first in the sentence. So that's perfect to put a comma there. Now, we need a capital letter at the beginning of this sentence. After a hen lays a bunch of eggs is all correct. They sit in them. So there's only 1 hen. So we can't use they because they is plural. You need to pick a pronoun that matches how many. And in this case, it would be it. It sit. So then we need the plural form or the singular form or an S on the verb. It sits. And you don't sit inside an egg. The chickens actually sit on the egg. So a lot of little tiny errors. After a hen lays a bunch of eggs, comma, it sits on them. So that is the corrections for those. Okay, so now write the missing word. Eggs hatch after 21 days. A chicken's eggs hatch after 21 days. This is the plural form. A chicken's eggs hatch after 21 days. This is the plural showing ownership that the eggs belong to many chickens. Or a chicken's eggs hatch after 21 days. The word gives you a clue. Usually means 1. So we want the possessive noun form of a chicken's eggs hatch after 21 days. So 1 chicken's eggs will hatch after 21 days. Perfect. So we need the apostrophe S. Now, number 4 says, rewrite this sentence so it is not a run-on sentence. Chickens do not make a nest, they lay their eggs on the ground. So you can see that where the end of the thought is, chickens do not make a nest, period, capital, they lay their eggs on the ground. So you need 2 sentences here. So chickens do not make a nest, period. They lay their eggs on the ground. Very good. Excellent. Okay, those are the corrections for this week 3, day 2, and I'll see you next time for week 3, day 3. All right, bye for now.